Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So today is a very tough day and with a lot of high impact news, the CPI and the rest. So obviously this is the fourth episode, the live trade review. So I got some messages telling me that what I'm sharing is not relevant to I don't know I don't want to say it, but I'm only sharing this information to you. The first thing is that I want you to learn from it, and I'm not showcasing anything. Don't get me wrong. I'm not showcasing anything. I just want you guys to learn from it and how I'm at times sitting down doing nothing, just watching the chat, and if it is not giving me anything, I'll just like walk away and call it a day. So for me personally, I do have a losing streak. Like I have a lot of like when I lose, I make sure that what I have lost like it's not compared to the winning I'm having. Don't mind my English. So what I want you to get from here is that being a forex trader is a journey that requires you to be patient. Like always be patient and wait for what you know. So avoid chasing the candlestick. Let me call it candlestick. Don't chase all those candles you're seeing. So it's not always 100% accurate. So but with risk to reward or risk management, then you get to where you are. So let's dive into it and see what I have got for you guys. So this is the EURUSD trade. So this is after the CPI news. Why this example is very important? Because a lot of people after the CPI they'll be what selling, 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 selling. So are you seeing these my lines? Those are my what? They are not just line. I'm telling you, those are what key levels. Like those are very specific points in the market. These two lines are from daily time frame. So and as well, I think I have another one here. So after the CPI, I'm not trading the news. After the CPI, this is my 2 minute chart. If you can see right here. So after the CPI, what I was waiting is I was waiting for my what model to present itself. If it's not doing anything, I'm not taking any trade. So once I have this, to me, this candle, then I have another candle like this. This to me is okay because this is like a very beautiful balanced price range. So initially, I was hoping for market to trade above this before I enter the trade. But once I see this candle like this, any candle like this that is trading, I think yeah. So I just put the limit, buy limit there, then my stop loss is here. So I know many people will talk about this is just what example like this candle is the brain behind all this what we are seeing. This is the last brain of the water. This candle you are seeing. This is where all the decision whether to continue selling or continue buying. This candle will tell. So I'm only highlighting all those this candle for you that this is what is telling the story. This candle you are seeing now. This is I know like how do I even tell you? This is the brain. Once I see this brain being traded above, I know that okay, market is willing to go higher. So I'm ignoring all those CPI movements. So I'm ignoring all those CPI movement. Like people are selling, selling, selling. I don't care. So me, I'm waiting for my setup. So let's see. So I entered the trade here. So before it was really choppy chop because we had another news at I think 10 a.m. New York local time. So I just buy my position, then I enter another position again, stop loss the same. So after some minutes, then you see price was going what higher. This is where my TP is. I will explain to you. So this is it. You can see this is on the Nasdaq. Look at same entry. Look at this level here. Are you watching the level? They're not just random. I just buy one lot, then leaving it to run. Let me see what I see before I enter the trade. I think it was on the 2 minute time frame. Yeah, in this case, 3 minute time frame. Look at this green. Once I did this candle being traded above, that is where I entered. Once I see this fair value gap, I entered here, then my stop loss was here. So this is the euro. Look at how beautiful the price is. Like already I have 1 to 5 here. So euro USD is the Nasdaq, still euro USD. Almost hit my TP. At this point, I think I took some position because it was already 1 to 6. So I took some position off and moved my stop to break even. So look at it. Let me show you clearly. Look at it. So the stop loss is at break even. Then almost hit my TP. I just decided to close it, close some partials then, and leave the rest to what run. So this is the euro chart 2 minutes time frame. Look at it. How beautiful it. Do you think it's still random? Look at the entry here, precision. Look at it. How far is what? Taking all those that said during the war CPI. So look at the 4 hour time frame. Yeah. So let's go into our chart and see what I'm telling you guys. So this is the Euro USD. This is your Euro USD. And these two levels here are the levels I'm watching. Are you seeing these two levels? Those are the levels I'm watching. So I don't want to see what one price traded into this. I'm already what anticipating what. I don't use all other time frame. So my highest time frame is just 5 minutes. Then from the daily, I just switch to what 5 minute time frame, 2 minutes and 1 minute. So I know today is CPI. So using what the 1 minute is very what you know it's very okay using the 1 minute. So I'll just tell you what I see on the 1 minute. So this, if you can remember this line, let me make it 3 points. So this line is my last line that I want to see how far this market can go because already I'm bullish. So once it hit this, I was on that is 8:32. Then I was on my chart waiting for what my model to present itself. So once I see this candle being traded above, that is an indication that market is going what high. So I think I was on my 2 minute time frame. But I took the trade from the 2 minute time frame. Why? 3 minutes. This is 3 minutes, but I took the trade obviously from 2 minute time frame. So here I can't go to 2 minute time frame, but let's explain the 1 minute time frame. So the first thing I'm seeing here is obviously, you see this candle here? Once I have a body closure above it, once I have a body closure above it, that's when I now know that market is willing to what, go up. So look at this candle. Let's check something and see. Look at this candle here. This is the 50%. I always tell you 50% of this range. That is how far this candle can go. That's how far it can go. 50 level. So let's mark the 50%. I want you to see the precision. One point. Let's make it black. Color black. Yeah. Check the precision. Once I see this, to me, this is the brain. Once price will close above it here, this candle here, I know that okay, if it is retracing, I can enter here aggressive entry. But if I want to be precise, then I'll be monitoring the 50% of this. Once price hit it, what am I doing? I'm waiting for what? An indication for me to what? Enter from this trade. Like example, you have this fair value gap here. No, I don't use 2 minute, 1 minute option. I use the 2 minute to enter in it, my trade. So once this candle will trade like this, any candle that retrace like this, as this candle is what is tracing, that is my entry. I'm longing this what, right? But I enter around somewhere here on the 2 minute time frame here. Then on the 1 minute I can enter here. Your stop loss will just be what? It's low. Then in this case, I think the trade was 1 to 7. It was 1 to 7 trade. The trade was 1 to 7. Yeah, because I entered on the 2 minute. In this case, 1 to 11. 1 to 11. So if we enter the 1 minute time frame, so after that, market what took off from this what fair value gap and continue to what crash what to the what upside. And look at what happened. Price hit this, then very close to my what my take profit, and price what is still reversing. So this is the highest it can go. This fair value gap, I just know that this fair value gap is the high place it can go. And another things I'm watching from there, it's not random. The model here is not random. So when I see this candle again being traded above, I know that okay, this is another what reverse towards the upside. So let me explain the um Nasdaq. That is my favorite pair. On the Nasdaq, those are the levels. Look at this line and this line. Those are the levels I was anticipating price to what reverse from. So, but price what after CPI price continue to what crash down. I just know okay, this level here is another level for what price to what reverse. This can hold price because already this candle has already was shown me that okay, we are bullish. We are bullish already. So I was monitoring all those levels. Then I was on my 1 minute time frame. Now I use the 2 minute often, but sometimes the 1 minute time frame. Those are the levels I use. So it's just like a very precision. Then After the CPI price hit this, the levels I was watching, I was just watching the levels. Once price hit it like this, the first level here is this candle I was watching. This candle, this last candle. Because I don't like the movement. Like, look at this, it's not a sharp movement. That's why I didn't take this trade here. So the next candle I was watching is this. Once I have this, let me show you something here again. Once I have this, any candle like this that is trade lower, it's your entry. Your stop loss will be here or here. So, but to be precise, let me show you another thing. From this place to this, look at that. That is highest. I don't want to see this word body closure here. Whenever I have a body closure in this line, you see this line? If a candle traded below it and closed below it, I'm taking my watch. I'm closing the position with a loss. Because I know once the algorithm does this, once it does trade and close below it, I know that the next target is this and this. So this is for my it's just like a last line of defense. That is the highest it can go. Mind you, I have this favor look up here. Sorry. So uh, I have this fair value gap here. You can enter based on fair value gap. But me, I want to see another confirmation. Yet, this is not my time because I usually trade the 9:30 open, which is right here. So during the 9:30 open, I already said that okay, we have price has already showed it has that it want to go higher from here. Then what am I anticipating? During the what 9:30, once I see a candle like this, 9:30, we took though this buy side liquidity there. Once I see this closure, I'm entering. So any candle that is trading like this, the highest point this next candle can trade. If you want to go higher, this is the highest point. Let me tell you the highest point. You will not believe. The highest point is 50%. You think it's random? It's not random, guys. So this could be what entering on the what 1 minute. Once this candle is open and it's trading down like this, I'm watching the what this level here. Once they hit it, that's what where I will enter. Then my stop loss will just be what here. I did stop loss. Then I think this trade I already have. I think 1 to 7 already. Had 1 to 7 already. Just a very beautiful trade to the what upside. 1 to 17. Look at it. So, but I entered on 2 minutes. I closed at 1 to 7. This to the watch. So it's a very beautiful day, and I'll call it a day. So, and after that, market continue crashing to the what upside. If you can remember, this is yesterday's inversion fair value gap. Price hit it, then it traced to the what downside, then, and it what went all the way to the what upside again, then and reverse inside the what inversion fair value gap. And price will continue to what go higher. So those are the things that repeat every day. I'm not showing anything that is not working. So this is very working, and look at it. My take profit is smash. It's hit. Maybe I should close this trade now. I'll close this trade. I'll close this trade. Yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah, TP hit. ASD TP hit. Yeah. So I've hold the position, and it's very beautiful, and I'll do maybe tomorrow we have another If I have any opportunity tomorrow, I'll do another trading review. And also don't forget to what comment, and let's see. Look at this very beautiful price delivery on the Euro USD. Look at it, the daily time frame. Yeah, look at it, very beautiful price delivery. So why did I even know? Because the market is making what a lower low, and why did I know that today we have a sell? There is something else, right? No, already the reason has showed its hand already that it's going up. So and the dollar is very weak. So compared to the what euro. So those are the comparison that I use in my trading. So let me show you once again. Those are the euro trade on 2 minute time frame. Look at it. Very beautiful entry, very specific model, and there's not imagine you have an entry like this. So talk to you next time.